How's it going, guys? This is Matt, this is Austin, and I'm Jackson, and we're the Toasty Bros. And today we're going to be doing a kind of interesting swap here. So if you guys remember this custom build, it's a helmet PC and a street bike helmet. It's AM1, it's kind of old, but we're gonna make it good again. We're putting it into this nice little case that Matt will talk a little bit about. And then we're going to be eventually putting a graphics card in it. We're gonna go ahead and put a hard drive in it because it's just a solid state drive right now, and it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, so the case that we went with was the CoolerMaster Masterbox Lite 3. Now this case was sent over by CoolerMaster, so special thanks to them. But this is a micro ITX case. We are using a mini ITX motherboard. It should fit nice and snug pretty well. But this is a really nice case. You'll see it in the B-roll after everything's put together. But why don't we just transition into a time lapse and show you all us putting it together. What do you gotta say, huh?
It's all his fault.
He has a little tiny, I think it's one of those Picasso or something like that, mini ITX power supplies where it's literally just the rail, and it uses a power adapter like this, big power brick, kind of like a laptop. And that is how it gets its power. It's only like 60 or, I think this one's 90 watts. So we're gonna get him a power supply, like a full-size one, so that we can get a hard drive, because right now this one only has a Molex and a SATA. We can get a hard drive, and then he's gonna get a graphics card.
He was actually still running the old power supply, which was not actually in the case. It had to run out the back. He had it all like shoved inside, and it was weird.
Yeah.
So now we have an EVGA 400 watt power supply right here, which he conveniently picked up, and then he finally got a graphics card for it too, a 1050 with 2 gigs of RAM. Alright guys, so we're actually going to be swapping motherboards out now too, because we realized in the midst of putting the 1050 in, holy crap, this one does not have the PCI lane that we need for it. This one does. So this is pretty much similar setup. They're both mini ITX, they're both AM1. This one has the 370 while this one has the 350 in it. For like if you ever decide to upgrade, you know?
I am. Next week.
You're gonna put a 1080 in it. Alright guys, so we just finished building this PC. We had to go through a little extra steps there, you know, also get like a free motherboard out of it, you know, a little bit of a processor upgrade, so, you know, can't complain about that. But what are your thoughts about everything now?
Honestly, it's just, you know,
A lot to take in.
It's a lot, you know. I like the look of the fans and the new CPU and everything.
And the graphics card, of course. Can't forget about the graphics card. It does look nice. It's actually the low profile 1050. I mean, I think it's like tiny, and it has like a tiny little fan on it. But the 1050 is a powerful card still, and you know it's still the newest line of the NVIDIA cards, so it's still going to keep up with games really well, especially, you know, Fortnite and all that, so that's what we're going for there. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and let us know what else you guys want to see.